have given assessments only, no? Subject-wise assessments will be there. There is no fixed date. Teacher will let you know. All the subjects teachers will let you know according to their conveniency. Okay. There is no fixed date for exams. No fixed week will go for the exams because till grade 5 we don't take exams. We take assessments. Subject teacher will let you know. Good morning, everyone. We'll wait 1 or 2 minutes more and then we start our today's class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We first do the revision of pie chart which we have learned yesterday. Few questions, one we discussed. We first do the revision of pie chart which we have learned yesterday. Few questions, 1 or 2 questions we discussed today also. Then we move further ahead with the new topics. So for example, this is the pie chart. This is a pie chart of 200 students. Out of this part like to eat pizza.
Ma'am, put your both right side.
Or take it as do not. Because most of the students like to eat pizza. So most part we will take as like to eat pizza. And this part do not like. So first of all, by looking at this, tell me in the chat box, tell me what part of the fraction children don't like to eat pizza. It is not how many I'm asking. Trisha, I'm not asking how many. What part of the fraction? Yes, 1 upon 4.
Ma'am, 1 upon 4.
Yes. And what part of the fraction children like to eat pizza? Like to eat pizza. Please, next question is that now give the answer of next question. How many? Yes.
3 upon 4.
3 upon 4.
3 upon 4.
After knowing their parts in the fraction, that this is 1/4 and this is 3/4, and total students are 200. Can you tell me now how many students like to eat pizza? Please mute your mic. Write in the chat box how we will find how many students like to eat pizza.
Ma'am, 150 students. 150 students.
Ayush, can you tell me how we will find this? Total are
Yes, ma'am,
200.
Ma'am, I know the answer. Can I say?
Ma'am, wait a minute.
Ma'am, can I say?
I'll come to you, Rudra. Yes, Ayush.
And with the formula you taught tomorrow,
Yesterday.
how to take out 1 3/4. So 200 multiplied by 3/4. And 200 is just the numerator. There's no denominator. When there's no denominator, we add 1 as the denominator.
Now,
Now,
one math.
And the answer would be 600 by 4.
what will come now?
Now 4 divided by 600.
600 divided by 4. What will come? What will come?
Ma'am, I know Vihan.
Vihan, I know you know that. You write in the chat box if you know the answer.
150.
Only 150 students. Easy. Vihan, now you tell me. Are you
Ma'am, I am
right answer or wrong?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, he has given right answer. I have one more method.
Yeah, please tell me the
Ma'am, first we have to divide 200 by 4. Then what answer comes, we have to minus it by 200. So it will be the 3 by 4.
Very good. You can
Ma'am,
use
now can I
multiple
say-
methods. Yes, Rudra Master. Those who
Ma'am,
are
I
writing
thought-
105, please check. Yes.
Ma'am, we can plus 550 plus 50 plus 50. So there will
Because
be
you
two-
have divided it into 4 parts, no?
Yes. So remove one 50.
3 parts will become into like pizza and 1 part will come into do not like pizza. So now if I ask, please write in the
Ma'am,
chat
I have a
box.
doubt.
Yes, Riddhi.
Ma'am,
Dalal, please check what you are writing. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, this
yesterday-
time please check.
Ma'am, I know
Ma'am.
the easiest method.
Yes, Riddhi. Yeah, Tuisha, I will come back to you. Yes, Riddhi.
Ma'am, that yesterday you have told us that 1/4 multiply by any number. I didn't understood that one.
That only the child has done. Ayush. If we find the 1/4, 3/4 of any number or 1/2 of any number, how we have to do it? Write the number, put multiplication sign because you are going to find the 3/4 of this number. So in place of, we put multiplication sign. 200 multiply 3 upon 4. Yes? Have you understood
Yes.
this? Now put denominator as 1 because nothing is here. Multiply numerator with the numerator and divide it with the denominator.
So we
Understood
will
it? There
multiply
are several methods of finding this. As the other children told that. Yes, there.
Ma'am, we will multiply 200 and
There wait. 200 multiplied by 3 will be 600. And 1 into 4 is 4. So 600 divided by 4 is 150.
Okay.
Take any number and this way you have to find out and then tell me what will be the answers. Take any numbers. Practice at home. Yes, there. Stop writing answers now. Stop writing answers, children.
I have understood this all, but I'm not understanding the
My dear, I will come to your that point also. Okay. There.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Twisha.
Ma'am, I know the easiest method.
Yeah, please tell.
We just have to divide it by 4. 200 divided by 4.
Yeah, the child has told 200 divided by 4 will come each part. No 50 answer आएगा. वो तो 1/4 हो गया. Because that is you are dividing it by 4. That is 1/4. So if you have 1/4 is 50, you will easily find out the other 3/4.
Yes, then we have to count. If we know the 1, then we can count the other 3.
Yes,
Right,
if you know the 1, so from 200 you can minus the 1. That is 150. In this way also you can find out. Okay. Yeah, children, it's good that you know several methods. Okay. Now, next question is how many students do not like this? We have already calculated. Please write in the chat box how many students do not like.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, check close.
50 students does not like.
Yeah, chat I'm going to open. Wait a minute.
Excuse
It's open
me,
only. Now open. Yes.
ma'am. I have a doubt on. Can you tell me the method that this one method how to find
This one
answer?
only.
Yeah,
I will
ma'am.
go to next question, okay? In that you will better understand maybe. Please pay attention. For example, this pie chart is about a population of a city. Population आपको पता है ना क्या होती है? What is population?
Yes,
Reddy, you don't know what is population? Peoples. लोग जो होते हैं सूरत सिटी में कितने लोग हैं कितनी पॉपुलेशन है राइट So ये जो पाई चार्ट है ये आपको सूरत सिटी की पॉपुलेशन का पाई चार्ट है, राइट? And in this pie chart, if I say there are 50 people only, for example, we are taking, इतनी सिटी में इतने कम लोग नहीं होते, but there are 50 peoples only in this. The population is 50 peoples, out of which 1/2 are men, or 1/2 are men. So 1/2 तो आप यहाँ ऐसे भी निकाल सकते हैं, or you can say that this is also a 1/2 of this. So from 50 people, 1/2 are men. How much part is left now?
Half part.
Half part.
Yes, half part is left, and out of this half part, 1/4 are women. So, how much part of fraction are children?
1/3. Ma'am,
1/4. 1/3 कैसे? हमने तो 3 parts किए, ये 1/2 है, because इसमें 2 1/4 include हो गए. इसमें 2 1/4 include हो गए, बाकी के 2 1/4 बचे, जिसमें से एक 1/4 वुमेन है, तो बाकी का कितना पार्ट बचा?
1/4. Ma'am.
1/4. ये 1/4 पार्ट जो है ये किसका है?
Ma'am,
चिल्ड्रन. पॉपुलेशन जो थी वो टोटल 50 पर्सन्स की थी. Can you tell me इसमें men, how many men are there? How many now? Now I'm not asking on the basis of fraction.
25.
How many men are there?
25.
25 men are there.
Ma'am,
कैसे निकाला आपने?
25%. 25%.
It is not percent, it is in numbers. It is not in percent. Right now I'm telling in numbers that 50 people are there. So how many men are there? 25.
25 men.
Yes. Ayash, please pay attention. Either you divide it by 2 or 50 का 1/2 कैसे निकालेंगे? This way. So 50 ones are 50 divided by 2 is equals to 25. Understood? 25. Now tell me, how many are women?
Ma'am, 1/4.
How many? I'm not asking what fraction. It is in numbers now.
12.15.
12.5, not 15. Same आपको 50 peoples का 1/4 निकालना है. So 50 divided by 4. If you know how to divide, please divide it and tell me what is the answer. But 12.
12.5.
Okay, 12.5.
12.5 women.
बट इसमें 12.5 एग्जैक्ट में इसमें नहीं आता क्या? 12.5 वुमेन हो सकती है पॉइंट में? तो ऐसा नंबर हमें लेना चाहिए यहाँ पर. सपोज हमें 60 का लेना है या 80 का लेना है तो ही एग्जैक्ट आएगा क्या? 12 किसी पर्सन को हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं क्या पॉइंट में?
No.
And then
आवर नंबर शुड बी इन दिस वे, तो हम इसका 1/4 और ये सब निकाल सकें. You all know the concept how to find out. Yes?
ma'am, or we can do it as 12 and we can add half into children's.
Yeah, आप इसको चिल्ड्रन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं और आप इसको वुमेन्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, उसका हाफ और उसका हाफ लेके. But don't get yourself confused in this. Maybe we have to take the numbers in this way so that we can get the accurate answer in the exact, because it's a population. अगर किसी और चीज का होता तो हम हाफ में भी आंसर दे देते. यहाँ पॉपुलेशन है, पॉपुलेशन में तो 12.5 1% आधा तो नहीं हो सकता ना.
Yes.
Yes. No, but you know how to find out. Yes.
So
It
we have
is
to take the even number.
Yeah, it is better to take the even numbers. It's just an example. Okay.
It is very easy.
Yes. Now come to the next topic. Children, आपने पढ़ा कि डेटा का presentation We can do with the pictograph. We can do with the pie graph. Now come to the next is telemarks. Now you will ask the question from me, ma'am, what are telemarks? होते क्या है? Children, you know, in early days when humans, these early mans, they want to keep the record of their anything. अपनी कोई चीजों का record रखते थे. They don't know numbers. उनके जो animals होते थे, like they have sheep, goat, and other animals, cows in the farm. So if they want to keep the record कि मेरे अब grazing के लिए, grazing, you all know what is grazing? क्या होता है grazing? Very good, Migdad, if you know. Grazing क्या होता है? You will tell me.
Grazing means that cows go in forest and eat grass.
Yeah, grass खाने के लिए they go for grazing. So they want to keep the record. Early men को numbers तो आते नहीं थे. They want to keep the record कि मेरी कितनी goats grazing के लिए गई. Right? If they send, पहले उन्होंने 4 भेज दी grazing के लिए. Then again they send 3 more. So if they want to keep the record of their things, they use some marks. वो stick से या अपने like sand में कुछ marks बना देते थे, the standing marks. They make on the sand or they make on the trunk of the trees, right?
Ma'am, they make
Yes,
they write the names of that and they tick it.
They what they do?
They wrote the names and they then tick that.
हाँ, पर अगर उनको लिखना ही नहीं आता है, उनको नंबरिंग भी नहीं आती है, तो what they do? वो लाइंस बना देते हैं. सपोज या एक गोट गई तो दे मार्क, फिर एक और उनकी गोट गई तो दे मार्क अगेन 1 more मार्क. पर ऐसे करते अगर उनकी 40 गोट्स हैं तो क्या वो 40 मार्क्स ऐसे करते जाएंगे? विल इट बी अ कन्वीनियंट मेथड?
No, ma'am.
No, they
Therefore, we have to do one line. Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, I also
Yes,
know
Rudra,
this.
please tell me.
Ma'am, ma'am, each time we will, ma'am, each time
Yes.
we will draw 4 lines
हाँ.
and cut it, and again we will draw 4 lines. Till
Cut it.
we have to there are 40 ships, so we have to draw total 10 40 means we have to draw 10 times the whole line. 10 times.
10 times only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is, I call this as 40.
No, ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am, I mean in first row we will draw 4 lines and
Suppose मेरी 40 गोट्स का मुझे एक रिकॉर्ड रखना है टेलीमार्क. Wait, my dear, wait. If you know the answer, write in the chat box. Let me talk with each and every child. Yes, Rudra, you were telling me something.
in first row we will draw 4 lines
4 lines draw कर दी. Okay, now
and cut it.
cut it. How I will cut? Like this.
No.
Then
Ma'am, I said slant line.
slanting line.
then this is called what? This denote what? How many numbers?
Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 5.
This denotes how many numbers?
Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, 5.
5.
Because
Okay, now I will come to you. Please mute yourself, everyone. Children, continue drawing 40 lines. It's a time consuming and it confuses a lot. अगर मैं count कर रही हूँ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, बहुत time consuming हो जाएगा. And again मेरे को शुरू से भूल गई कहीं पे, मैं 6 आने के बाद भी मैं भूल गई. I forgot मैंने कहाँ तक count किया. So again I need to count from 1, 2, 3, 4. This way it will take time, right? So for that thing they have invented one method. For example, now I take information. Now I tell you this method with one example. For example, I am taking the information from grade 4 students. about their favorite fruit. Okay. Now, I will make tally marks on this. First of all, I want to take the information. So, apple. Please raise your hand. Virtual, raise your hand. Then I will count the number of the students who like to eat apple. I'm only asking how many of you like to eat apple. Then only raise your hand. And please, if you are raising your hand in the apple, don't raise your hand in the next one. Because it will be then confusing for the students to understand. Yes, approx 7 to... Wait, let me check.
Ma'am, there is no one.
No one like to eat apple.
Ma'am, I like, but if mango comes, then
Okay.
is there mango?
And if I ask pizza,
all the
everyone will raise hand. If I ask how many like to eat pizza, everyone will raise hand.
Ma'am, first you write all the names, then we will take.
For example, if I am taking 5 children like to eat apple, then comes to guava. Raise your hand fast.
Ma'am, I love.
सिया, आपके मोबाइल लैपटॉप में एक ऑप्शन है रेजिंग हैंड का, वहां पे रेज करो हैंड. Yes.
3 people.
For example, they are showing 4.
Ma'am, can you take mango?
Mango, okay, ठीक है. I take a mango. Raise your hand faster. Mango के लिए कितने हैं?
We will not be able to count.
So many are there. So,
Ma'am,
for example, I take 10 only. Okay. Now, strawberry.
It's more than 20.
It's okay. For example, I'm using word example. Strawberry.
Ma'am, I don't like any of these.
Then you're not eating healthy food, I think.
Ma'am, I only like 2 of them.
For example, for strawberry, I take 8.
Ma'am, I like all.
Okay. Now, stop.
Ma'am,
here.
I also.
Lower down your hands. Lower down your hands and look here. Pay attention here. This is the information which I collected from grade 4 students is on the basis of numbers. Because I know how to write numbers. But in case, if I don't know how to write numbers, I will use telemark. Because I was counting, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way I was counting, no? So I will use telemarks for this. For 5, we use 1, 2, 3, 4, and one slant line to cut all these 4. This is called the bundle of 5.
Yeah, ma'am, I was saying that only 5 and 4 only. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But
Yes.
no cross.
No cross. If it is 1 only, then only 1 standing line. If it is 2 only, then 2 standing line. If it is 3 only, then 3 standing line. If it is 4, then 4 standing line. But जैसे ही 5 हो जाता है, तो अब क्रॉस कर देना है.
Ma'am, if it's 6, then we have to do 2 cross.
No, if it is 6, then this is the one bundle which is shows 5. Then one more standing line. Is
Ma'am, what bundle is that? Again, if it is 6.
Yes. Now if it is 7, तो ये bundle तो है. Now next bundle start हो रहा है, right? Now one more standing line. This is counted at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If it is 8, one more standing line. If it is 9, one more standing line. Then if it is completing 10, one slanting line. Please draw a slanting line properly. If you cut in this way, I will put a wrong. There should be a neat slanting line. Whether it's from left to right or right to left, it no matters. But slanting line should be slanting way. Understood?
Doubt.
Yes, Samriddhi.
Yeah, in this you had make 4. We have to take 4 bundles of each.
समृद्धि, अगर इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन है कि 1 ही पीपल को वो लाइक हुआ, तो कैसे बनाओगे इसका टेलीमार्क?
We will draw one line and cross it.
क्रॉस क्यों करेंगे? नहीं करना है क्रॉस, तभी करना है क्रॉस जब पूरे 4 के बाद 5th नंबर आएगा. Have you understood, Samriddhi?
Yes.
1 means only one slanting line. If 2 are there, so what you will do, Samriddhi?
Only two.
Only 2 slanting line. If 3 is there, 3 का telemark क्या होता है? All of you please take out your notebook.
Ma'am, 3 slanting lines.
Take out your notebook, everyone.
Ma'am, graph notebook
No,
or
maths notebook.
maths notebook? Okay.
Yeah, first of all, you need to write the telemarks 1 to 10. And then we will solve this question. Here make 2 columns, one for numbers and the another is for telemarks. If there is number 1, 1 telemark. If 2 standing lines, that is 2 telemarks. 3 standing line. 4 number आया है तो 4 standing line.
Ma'am, and
5
cross
है
have to do.
तो यहाँ तक तो क्रॉस होगा ही नहीं ना.
Oh, ma'am, 5 we will do cross.
Yes, number 5 पे आने के बाद 4 standing line and 5th one will come as a slanting line. ऐसे ही I'm making 2 more columns here. You do it lengthwise because I don't have a space. You please do lengthwise. इसके बाद next नीचे ही continue करना है, side में नहीं. Right, number 6. Number 6 के लिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One bundle of 5 and 1 extra line.
Extra line. And then
Number for 7. One bundle of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. This way, write for 8, write for 9 and write for 10 also. How many bundles of 5 will come for 10?
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, 5. One bundle of 5 and second bundle of 5 means 2.
Yes, 2. Please do this telemarks till 10.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ayansh.
The board right side. Put your
Ayansh,
board
right and left में all the period will go.
Ma'am,
Who has done till 15? Why you jumping directly to 15? Show me Trisha again.
see
If
this.
you want to continue this, 10 के बाद 5 कैसे आया? Again and then 15 कैसे आया? 10 के बाद 11 का करो. And random numbers. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm giving you some random numbers and you have to make the telemarks for that. And please write it in the chat box also.
Okay.
After completing till 10, I'm giving you some numbers. Write the telemarks for
I
that.
had a doubt.
Yes.
If it is 12, then so one bunch of 5 and another only 2. Like that.
No. One bunch of 5 means 5 numbers. And then if you're making another 2 means it will 7. How it will 12?
Ma'am, I'm saying there will be 2 bunch of 5, right?
Yes,
So
then
2 bunch
another
of 5.
2.
Then 1 and then the second which third one, the group will be bundle. It will only have 2, right?
It will only have 2. Because it is not completing 5. ना 5 जैसे ही complete होते जाएंगे आपका पंच बनता जाएगा, बंडल बनता जाएगा. पर आपके 5 नहीं है. If it is 13 only, if there is a 13 number only, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 10 only. Then 11, 12, 13. And please keep a little distance. एक बंडल बनाने के बाद थोड़ी सी space. Then make the another telemarks. So that it will be clear for you all. Now I'm giving you some numbers: 45, 32, 16, 18. Make the telemarks for this. And please, if you can able to draw the telemarks in the chat box, please do that also. Because I can see some of you have done in the this Rudra Master done means he can able to do by standing lines and crossing slanting line. And one by one I can ask from you children also, please be ready. Give the heading numbers you are writing here. Here you are writing telemarks for this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to make the another column of random numbers or in
No,
the
if
joint.
you have a space in that also, or you please make another column, otherwise you will get confused. अगर
Ma'am.
उसको continue करोगे तो.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, Sayansh.
Ma'am, if
Hmm.
it's nine, so how can we make that?
Ayansh, you please tell me how we will make. You please turn on your camera first. If it is 9, right? I will take number 9 here in between. Okay. You able to see it? हाँ. Ayansh,
Yeah,
if it is 9, तो आप कैसे बनाओगे?
Ma'am, we will make 3 columns, no?
क्यों? पहले तो काउंट करो ना. 9 करना है तो 1 2 3 4 5 ये हो गया. Then 6
हाँ.
7 8 9 खत्म. Because still 10 is not there.
Okay, ma'am.
Jishna Swami, you are lying on the floor.
Jishna, please.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we can do like this.
Ma'am, 6
Ma'am, we can't
by bundles and two
Children,
lines.
if you talk together, I will not able to listen you. Yes, Dhyan Dalal, what you were saying?
Six by bundles and 2 lines.
In which?
30 to 1.
Yes. Next, Rudra, you were asking something.
2 lines.
In which one? You tell the number also, no? Without the number, how do I know?
Then 32.
32.
3 bundle of 5 and extra 2 lines.
Please pay attention here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you are saying, yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 15 only. How it is 30?
Oh, sorry.
5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15 only.
Ma'am, then one more bundle.
Yeah, then it will be 20. फिर क्या 32 है वो तो.
Ma'am, or two bundles.
Ma'am, more 2 and then. Ma'am,
You have to put
ma'am,
2 lines more.
That means
ma'am,
6 bundles and more 2 lines.
16. Ma'am, 16. 3 bundles, 1 line. 18.
Yeah.
3 bundles, 3 lines.
Good.
Excuse me, ma'am. We have to write this
Ma'am
number.
of 16.
Ashvi, what you are asking?
We have to write these numbers in notebook.
Yes. Everyone has to write the numbers in the notebook and write the telemarks.
Ma'am of 16, 3 bundles and 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2,
Migdad.
3, 4, 5. And when Migdad, you are not at your place, maybe. Ma'am is saying something. Please come back. Yes, Migdad, what you are doing?
He's lying on the floor, so I'm telling
Migdad,
to sit
please.
properly.
Are you writing, Migdad?
Ma'am, I was just doing 1 bundle.
You are writing in your notebook.
Yes, ma'am, I've written.
Ma'am,
Okay.
9 bundles of 45.
Ma'am, 45, 9 bundles and 13, 2
9
bundles. 3
bundles
lines.
of each of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayansh, you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayansh, if the number is 7, how many
Yes, ma'am.
bundles of 5 you will make?
7.
How many bundles of 5 you will make?
Ma'am, I'll make 1 bundle and then 2
2 extra lines.
Done.
Okay.
Ma'am, done all the numbers.
Have you all done this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the question which we were solving. If the information is given in the numbers, how you will convert it into the telemarks. Children, graph we will do on Monday. We will only do telemarks today. So please bring your graph notebook on Monday also. The information which is given here, that apple liked by number of students. No, understand this only. These are the name of the fruits, number of students or number of children we can say, and this is telemark we are making. Apple are liked by 5 students. Then as it was guava, we can take any number, 17. Then I take strawberry.
Pizza.
I'm taking fruits here, so I cannot mix pizza over here.
Ma'am, mango is there.
Yeah, एक fruits की information है तो fruits ही होंगे सारे.
Bananas.
Yes.
And guava was 4.
Strawberry. It's okay, no? I said I'm randomly taking the numbers. Strawberry, for example, it is
20.
7. No, 7 you have already. 3. And banana.
120.
21.
120, please.
Then it will be easy for Lakshya to make the telemarks for 20. How many bundles of telemarks you will make here? Please tell me. How many bundles of 5 you will make in 21? Lakshya? I'm asking from Lakshya only. Yes, Lakshya. How many bundles of 5 you will make for 21?
5 bundles, 4 bundles and one
Standing line. Yeah.
standing line.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 make 15. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 make 20 and 1 extra. 21.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am saying that you are writing this. We have to write this in
Yes.
the notebook. Okay.
You can write now. You solve it now in your notebook.
Okay, Renu ma'am, I am leaving.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Now, children, I think you all have dice also with you all. Yes? Some of you have a dice also with you, right?
Yes, I have.
Why I told you to bring dice? Children, have you completed this? Vedi, you are playing with this, changing your screen.
Ma'am, we have to
Then we have to write this in the notebook 17.
Yes, please write it fast. So that
Ma'am, what is the second number?
strawberry is 3, guava is 17, apples are 5.
Then we have to write apple, guava, that also.
Yes. So how you will find you have to write complete table. Faster. And I'm going to send you the worksheet based on 10 marks today. There, you please stay after the class for 5 minutes. Children, as I told you to bring dice. Who is having dice? I pin that child.
Ma'am,
Vihan. Okay. Vihan. Everyone pin Vihan. I will play one game with Vihan. Vihan, take one paper, take your notebook. Okay. Yeah. There you draw like this dice shape and put one dot there. Then below it, then draw again and put 2 dots. Because जब आपका number 2 आता है, तो आप ऐसे लिखा हुआ होता है डाइस पे. जब आप एक ही फेस देखते हैं डाइस का, स्क्वायर फेस जो दिखता है, उस पे नंबर 2 अपसाइड ऐसा होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
नंबर 3 पे अगर अपसाइड आता है आपका तो ऐसा होता है. दिस वे आप पूरा 6 तक का बनाइए. 4 में ऐसा, and then 5, and then 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 ऐसे करके आप पूरे 6 फेसेस बना दीजिए डाइस के नोटबुक में. फास्टर. Everyone pin behind. We are going to play one game, and then you try this game at home. Okay. Now, ready, Vihan? Be little faster. Now, who else is having a dice?
Ma'am, I.
Ayansh is having. Okay. Stop, my dear children. Stop saying I. Ayansh, you have?
Yeah, ma'am, I have a dice.
Okay. Ayansh, you throw dice and tell us what is the upper face of dice showing which number.
Ma'am, I have done.
Vihan, you are ready? No, wait. Which number it is?
1.
1. So what
Yeah.
Vihan is doing, Vihan, now because ये कितनी बार भी 1 निकल सकता है, तो अगर आप 1 नंबर लिख दोगे और फिर से किसी और का भी 1 आया तो आप लिखोगे 2. It will be the confusing numbers में आंसर देना.
Yes, ma'am.
So for that what you will do, you draw a tally mark. 1 के पास में एक tally mark भी लगा दो क्योंकि अयांश का आया. Yes, Ayansh. Now, Trisha, you throw and tell me what number is coming. We use this with 20 students only. 5 to. What number is coming, Trisha? 3. So what you will do, Vihan, now?
Ma'am, put a tally mark on 3.
Tally mark 3 के सामने एक tally mark लगा दो. Next, Lamha. Which number?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 5.
She got 5. So 5 के पास में एक tally mark लगा दो. Yes, who else is having a dice? Please raise your hand. Rudra, please throw dice and tell me which number you got.
Ma'am, 6.
6. Now Vihan, you keeping the records, no? Tally marks 6 के पास में भी एक tally mark लगा दो.
Ma'am, Samriddhi.
Yes, Samriddhi, throw dice.
4.
4. 1 tally mark, 4, 4. Next.
Ma'am, Priya.
Yes, Priya, please throw the dice and tell me what number is coming.
2.
2. एक tally mark यहाँ पे भी आ गया. Now next child.
Ma'am, Jeshna.
Yes, Jeshna, throw the dice and tell me.
1.
1. So 1 के आगे एक और tally mark आ गया.
Ma'am,
Yes, Gunav. Yes, Gunav, throw the dice and tell me what number you got.
Ma'am,
On the upper face.
Ma'am, Riddhi.
My dear, wait. Yes, Gunav. 5. So put a tally mark. Vihan, you keeping the records,
Ma'am,
right?
Riddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Riddhi, throw the dice and tell the number.
3.
3. So 3 के पास में एक tally mark. This way, yes, Ayush, throw the dice and tell me. Wait, I'll come. 3. 3. Yash, please throw and tell me.
Ma'am, 5.
5 के आगे एक tally mark. Yes, Arna Agarwal.
Ma'am, I'm not having dice.
Okay, there you have dice.
Ma'am, my sister's exam is going in the room, so I cannot attend.
Okay. My dear, please be little quick. There you have.
Ma'am, I have.
Yes, tell me the number there.
6.
6. Karnav, tell me the number. Throw the dice and tell me the number.
Ma'am, it is 4.
4.
Ma'am, now
Now, Farzan, please throw and tell the upper number, upper face number. What is there?
Ma'am, can I do?
Yes, Farzan, do it faster.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is 4.
4.
And I also have a dice.
This again, you can, now listen here. Wait a minute. Now listen here. This way you can play this game alone also by fixing the chances that 20 chance ही खेलने हैं, मुझे 30 chance खेलना है. You can fix it and you can play it and see the tally marks you are doing. And then 5 जैसे ही कोई number cross कर गया 5 chances में, तो you cross it. फिर अगर 6 आया, 6 times आ गया अगर 4, so you put one more standing line. You like this game today?
Yes, ma'am.
But why can we do only 20?
Bye, ma'am.
So see, if you have, it is up to you. If you have a time you want to play like this, we have done with few students only today. If I go with the whole class, it will take time. Yes. So it is your choice. How much time you had, how much you want to enjoy this game. You do that, and you start making the tally marks accordingly. For example, this 5 is coming only 4 standing lines, and it is coming, may example, 15 times, because you are playing from so long. 15 times aa gaya, so 3 bundles of 5 will come. This way you will learn the tally marks. Right? Thank you, children, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Tata.
Ma'am,
Bye, ma'am.